Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Egg Shroom in Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is the plan that I got from the previous event, which is the Welly Rapper event. And this is a team reward. And I'm going to show you how much this is worth, whether it's worth or not to keep in our garden. Okay, let's go to the sell menu, and I'm going to click on this menu. How much is this worth? Oh, it's around 100k shekels. And I'm going to show you how this plant looks like when it planted in our garden. Okay, this is the Egg Shroom. We can harvest it multiple times, but we can only harvest one mushroom from one plant. And this is the shroom, the egg shroom, I mean, and it's cool. I think it's beautiful. It's like mushroom, but it's colorful. And yeah, just like this. I think it's worth to keep in our garden, guys. Okay guys, and that's all about the Egg Shroom seed and Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!